Hello. Oh, it is so good to have you here in my home. Welcome. I am Professor Wolfizzle. Today is a very special day. Do you know why? It is day 10. 10 days of learning together. 10 days of growing together. I am very proud of you. Today we talk about something very important. We talk about clothes. Look at me. I'm still in my pajamas. My pajamas are light blue and very loose. They are good for sleeping, but they are not good for teaching. So please stay with me while I get dressed. First, I open my wardrobe. It is a big old cupboard made of dark wood. Inside, I see many garments. Let us start with the upper body. I take a shirt. This is my favorite shirt. It is bright white and made of soft cotton. I put my left arm into the sleeve. Then I put my right arm into the other sleeve. Now I look at the buttons. There are many small round buttons. Let us close them together. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I fix the collar around my neck. Do you like wearing a shirt? Or do you prefer a t-shirt? A t-shirt is simple, but a shirt is elegant. Now I look for my trousers. Some people call them pants, but I prefer the word trousers. These trousers are dark brown. They are made of thick wool to keep me warm. I pull them up. First the left leg, then the right leg. To hold my trousers, I need a belt. My belt is made of black leather. It has a shiny silver buckle. I pull the belt through the loops and click the buckle. Now my trousers are perfect. Do you wear a belt today? It is a very useful thing. Let us look at my feet. My feet are bare and cold. I need socks. I find 2 socks. They are dark blue and very soft. I pull them over my toes and my heels. Ah, that is better. Now I put on my shoes. These are my leather shoes. They are very old but very comfortable. I sit down in my chair to tie the shoelaces. I make a loop and a knot. Now my shoes are tight. Can you hear them on the floor? I can walk miles in these shoes, but wait. I am a professor. I need my style. I take my waistcoat. A waistcoat has no sleeves. I put it over my shirt. It makes me feel smart. And then I take my jacket. This is a tweed jacket. It is heavy and strong. My jacket has many pockets. In my left pocket, I have my pocket watch. In my right pocket, I keep a clean handkerchief. You never know when you might need one. Now, for the most important part, my bow tie. I have many ties, but I love the bow tie. This one is dark red with small white dots. I put it around my collar and I fix it. I look in the mirror. Yes. Now I look like Professor Wolfizzle. What do you think? Do I look ready? One last thing is missing. I look at the table near the door. There's my hat. It is a brown hat. I pick it up and I put it on my head. Now I am complete. Now I am ready to go outside. If I go out and the sky is gray, I take my overcoat. If it is raining, I take my umbrella to stay dry. If it is snowing, I wear a long scarf around my neck and thick gloves on my hands. It is important to protect our body from the cold and the wind. Today, we learned so many words. We talked about the shirt, the trousers, the socks, and the shoes. We saw the waistcoat, the jacket, the bow tie, and the hat. We learned about buttons, sleeves, pockets, and shoelaces. And we talked about the coat, the scarf, and the gloves. You are a brilliant student. You have unlocked 850 words today. 10 days of English. That is a massive achievement. Your brain is very hungry for knowledge. I am Professor Wolfizzle. Tell me, what is your favorite piece of clothing? Is it your hat? Or maybe your favorite shoes? I will see you tomorrow for day 11. Goodbye. And stay stylish.